Hi and welcome to this algebra video. The goal of this video is to solve a compound inequality of the union type. Now, if you watch the video that was the spreadsheet of the different kinds of compound inequalities, you know that the union type of inequalities are the kind that have the word or in them. So the problem we're going to look at today looks like this. You're going to have two pieces. 3x plus 2 is greater than 6, or 5x plus 8 is greater than or equal to 20. Now remember, with these kinds of inequalities, you actually have two separate problems to do. You're going to do the problem on the left first, and you're going to get a solution set. Then you're going to get a problem on the right, and you're going to solve that next, and you're going to get another solution set. And then the value for x could live in either solution set. So let's go ahead and do the first problem. For the problem on the left side, you guys are going to solve this just like you solve any problem you already know how to do. We're going to use the subtraction property of equality to get rid of the positive 2. We're going to be left with negative 3x is greater than 4. We're going to divide both sides by negative 3, and remember, when you divide by a negative, you need to flip the inequality. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm left with x is less than negative 4/3. All right, so that's one side of my compound inequality. Let's go ahead and do the other side next. On this side, you need to use the same strategies you used. We're going to use the subtraction property of equality to get rid of the positive 8. That leaves us with 5x is greater than or equal to 12. We're going to divide both sides by 5 using the division property of equality. Since we divided by a positive, we do not flip the inequality sign, so we get x is greater than or equal to 12/5. So the next thing we need to do is graph our solution set. So we're going to make a graph of this. I always like to grab the smaller number and do that first. X is less than, so we have an open dot. We're going to go to the left. X is less than negative 4/3, or x could be greater than, so I'm going to fill in that dot, greater than or equal to 12/5. So what you should get from this is that x could exist to the left of negative 4/3, or it could exist to the right of 12/5. So our answer, if we were to write it out, is x is less than negative 4/3, or, and you have to put that word in, x is greater than or equal to 12/5. So your solution is the graph and the inequality, and you should have both. I hope this makes sense. Make sure you get help in class and ask questions if you need more information.